Good morning, everyone. It's me, Jesse, back again. I'm building on the Hercules box. A box that we're going to store our Hercules tools in because we're all the way up to 6 batteries now. Yeah, buddy, we got duped into all 6 of them, but we do have some free Hercules tools for the cost of 6 new batteries, right? Yeah, they might not be such a good deal after all, but nonetheless, we're going to build this box while we're waiting on steel to be prepared for my pickup. And apparently that's not going to be today. Hopefully it'll be sometime this week, but it doesn't sound like it's going to be today. So I'm kind of just going through the motions on building this box. I will say that it is great practice to do things like this with scrap metal. Especially metal that you didn't really pay for because you really don't really care, I should say. It's just like, hey, I'm going to try this. Hey, I'm going to try that. Hey, I'm going to use this piece of steel versus that piece of steel, because you didn't pay for it. Once you start paying for steel like this trailer build I'm about to do, it gets really expensive and you don't want to screw it up. I'm here to tell you that. So doing things like this keeps your skill levels up. And when it comes time to put your money where your mouth is, well, maybe you can follow through with a decent product. That's my motto. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use whatever metal I have laying around because it really just doesn't matter at this point. I'm going to stick it together and build something that I hope is presentable in the end, and it'll be useful. It's a bonus if it looks good, but usefulness is my motto. And if it looks good, yeah, all the better. So, I don't know I'll finish this anytime soon, but hopefully within the next few days. Okay, this is going to be our top. Some old crusty metal that we've made usable. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it welded up so you can see the awesomeness that's going to ensue when we start putting those steel rods on here. Okay, I'm using a carpenter square to square the corners like I always do because us rank amateurs don't seek out perfection. Right, boys? Heck yeah. match them up. Heck yeah, boys! All right, get the steel rods out. You see where I'm going with this, boys? Heck yeah! We're gonna cut each of these steel rods in half using the wet saw. So I gotta put it back to a 90-degree angle. Let's do that. Okay, we're going to cut all of these rods, every one of them except the bigger one for now. We'll probably cut, you know what, let's cut them all. Yeah, buddy. Try to get these as close as we can. Alright guys, let's wipe this dirty steel off. I'm going to use these rods, these steel rods, as my support sides for our Hercules strong box. Alright, I got all 10 of these rods cleaned up, cut. Some of them are kind of deformed at one end because it's where the factory cut them. You know, they got this like press cutter, they don't saw clear through it, so it kind of mashes one end of it. That's okay. Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna stack as many as we can in the corners here. Let's get this tacked into place. Okay, we got the 4 metal rods in, and it looks pretty good. Now we just have to put in all the rest of them. Okay, we got the steel rods in here, and that wasn't easy, boys. I was gonna film it, but it got to be a real pain in the ass, you know, squaring it up, getting everything the way it should be. So yeah, I just went for it. And there it is. We still have some, we're going to put this in here too, this pipe, but we used them all. And we still have to re-weld a lot of these seams here because it's just roughed in. See that? See that? You can make a box with anything, guys. Anything. But yeah, I think we're up and running. Looks good. Oh, gotta check it. Let's check it. I would be so disappointed if this didn't work out. Hey, okay, we did something right, huh? All right, let's do the other side here. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, look at that, boys. We're looking good. this flat stock metal strip all the way around the edge here. It cleans things up really nice, it squares it up, and it gives us something to attach our plate to. You see that? There's a little lip now hanging down that we can, when we put our sides on, we'll have something to weld it to. And we're going to do something else for the bottom there. I'm going to go see what I have. I'm thinking rebar again. Yeah, because depends on what I have. I got to see what I have. Okay, we got the bottom ready for the sides to be put in. In other words, we have something to attach the sides to now. We put this lip on the bottom also, and it's going to give it that nice even flow with that steel rods being in there. I'm going to put another steel rod in here and across there, and probably one or two across the other side too. So that's all for today. It's coming out pretty good. Alright, this kind of looks like a Hercules box now, don't it, boys? Heck yeah. We got some angle iron steps at the bottom here. Why'd we use that? Why is that lip going to stick out like that? First of all, it's all the steel that we had. Yeah, there's that. Second of all, it looks cool. It looks really cool. You know, I can set my... Hold on, I'll show you. I can... Hold on. Oh, look. You can set your little tool right there. How about that? See that? See you on the next one. God bless.